Kia ora friends, this is Roshan from Sing Love Strum and I have got a very special guest. This is, no, it's Sing Love Strum, not Sing Aroha Strum, it was my son. I have a special guest. This is Mr. Tui Vavalangi, Mr. Me Tui Sala Tui Vavalangi from the beautiful Isles of
Fiji.
He's not in the US Army, contrary to what you think, but he makes me sound good. We're going to sing Whakaaria Mai, which is a well-known Maori hymn. It's to the tune of How Great Thou Art, and it's a song that is etched in my heart from childhood, from going to my marae and singing this song in our church. And it is a real beautiful hymn and well-known. It's one that can be sung at times of reflection. I think it's a beautiful song for reflection, whether it's at a gathering, a funeral, or a tangi. So learn it. The strum pattern that we're using is down, 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 up. It sounds like this on G. Should we give it a go?
Let's do it.
Toru, fa. Have a more jazzy Maori cool strum to do, which is perfect. This is to help people get started on their journey and feel success and also sound beautiful, and I think the down, 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 up strum works really well on Maori Waiata. So are we ready? Let's go.
Let's go, rock and roll.
Toru, fa. Whakaaria mai, tui peka ki au, tia ho mai, aroto I te pō, hei kona Told you he made me sound good.